So with this system, you wind up with a piece of equipment that's going to last for many years with a minimal amount of maintenance. Pretty much all you have to do is keep this machine clean. There's no greasing, there's no resetting, there's no adjusting to it, other than when you get to set it in the morning. You're going to have years of good, clean operation, many years, and you're going to have a system that can do a better, more gentle job of trimming your product than anything else on the market. Combine that with the fact that you can run 2, 3, 4, 5 of these to scale up for the production if you decide to go up. And for the amount of money you're going to invest, you're going to get the finest cutting system in the world for a lot less money than you're going to get if you try to go one of the big commercial-like looking machines that they offer.